So I just want to know how was this place before and how is it now? So what difference can you see?
I'm in this area since last 1.5 years. And whenever I used to pass by this road, I never used to come to this side. I always used to take that side to cross this road
Okay.
while coming and while going both.
Okay.
It used to be so stinking and foul smell used to come that even that while going from that side also I used to put hanky on my nose. It was so bad.
Okay.
Then one fine day, about 1 month back I saw there is that half area which you have not fixed, someone else has fixed. In that half area, people got photographs and cleaned and everything. I was so happy. So that area was also like this area only. And I thought that if this area can be done, why this area someone can't do? But I was not knowing you people, group or NGOs or anything.
Okay.
I was just wondering why it can't be done.
Okay.
Then one fine day on Sunday, I saw you people doing all these things. I was so happy seeing it. And when I came here, I met you, I met Mr. Mohan, and I met the corporate husband. He told me that these are the people who are behind this. I am so grateful and thankful to you people that you have done a marvelous job.
Thank you, sir. Normally we do many activities. It's not only this
I
event.
know, I have gone through your website.
True. So this event is just for a transformation.
Yeah.
Apart from this, we do many events like going to orphanages, and if there is any problem, like if you take Chennai, recently it got affected with the heavy rainfall. We went there. We went to Chennai. We collected funds. We collected relief materials. We have done that also. So what else you want to suggest us? If you think, if you thought there is something good to be done, so you can suggest us so that we can at least try to implement it.
Yeah, sure. I am in your group now.
Yes, sir.
Whenever something comes in my mind, I post it.
Definitely. I appreciate you as well because, normally there are many people going across. That day we were almost like 40 people, including local citizens. So there were many people, but no one was bothered to come and speak to us. But you were like, you came here, you asked who are we, you checked our details, and immediately, you joined into our group. And without saying our website details, you went through all our website, you understood what are we, then you paid money or whatever, you can contribute to us, and you joined, and you are spending your time for us. So we are really thankful for you, sir.
Rules and regulations for temporary member, you have written you pay
Yes.
20, then you become permanent member. Okay, I said I will become permanent member. Let us contribute whatever we can.
Thank you.
And in future also we will do that.
Sure, sir. The reason why it is permanent and temporary, because in this group there are people coming and going.
Yeah,
They will just come for one event and they will not come for another 3-4 events.
I can understand.
So to maintain this consistency, what we have done, the people who are with us since very long time, I want to give importance for them. If I am not giving importance to the own team members, if I am not recognizing them, then there might be chances that they might also leave. Because every time, leaving personal life and official life, coming only for the society, living their entire day, not everyone can do. But I should appreciate our team members, who are actually coming. So that's the reason temporary member and permanent member. Because any person who is coming, I want to see whether if he is actually interested, he or she is actually interested or just coming for one day. So whoever is with us for more time, then that's where we are making them as a permanent member, and let's say different terms and conditions. Because though we are not registered, but we need the terms and conditions in order to run our group efficiently. Otherwise, in future, they should not question, outside person should not question what's going on. So we should be ready to tell everything. That's the reason we are maintaining all this. So yeah, we are feeling great for you that you checked everything. So it never took that much time for me to explain because you know what you are doing.
Who is Mr. Madhusudan?
Madhusudan, he is the one who introduced me to you, right? He's the one who introduced me to you. So he is the main person. See, what happened is I put the seed here, and he's the one who put the water to grow that seed, and that's where it went.
What does he do?
He is working in Infosys also. He's a process trainer. He's basically a trainer, very wonderful person.
Because in your website I read that Mr. Madhusudan initially helped you a lot.
Yes, they were
You
actually
were struggling initially and
correct, sir. Because I was like almost, I thought it will never work out because people are not coming. So at that time, Madhu was the reason, who gave me moral support, and that's why we didn't take much time. Only policy for us, if we think anything, let's do it immediately. Instead of postponing. We don't want to postpone anything. If we postpone, and that thing will get on postponed. So that's where we will miss some events. So that's the reason why we are not doing any postponement. We do event immediately. Even this spot fix, which we did it on Sunday, right? So Saturday afternoon is what we planned. Immediately I called all BBMP head office and all. I got corporator number. I called him. I went in, personally talked. I said, sir, this is what the place is now. He said, yeah, this is a very black spot in this area. Since 20 years it is an open toilet. So if you guys can do, our BBMP labor itself will not come and do this place. That much work it is, and it's very stinky. I said, no sir, we have a big team, we will come. Though we are employees, though we are highly educated, but still we will come and do it. But I need support from them. So even they gave a moral support to take out these tempos, to get the water tanker, to get some BBMP labels. They actually helped us a lot. So we should be proud with the corporate as well. Because without their support, we could have not done the event full. It could have been made it fully half.
Yeah, I can understand.
That's what.
Apart from all this, I highly appreciate your vision.
No, it's not my vision, sir. Everyone has
the way you started,
Okay.
the way you developed, the website, the way you are managing the group.
Yeah.
It requires it. Thank you.
Thank you a lot, sir.